Welcome back to our English learning channel. Have you ever said peace when you actually mean peace? Or you get confused between accept and accept? Well, today we're going to learn about some English words that sound almost the same but totally different meaning. Let's make English fun and solve their confusing. Let's start with accept and accept. Listen carefully. Accept means to receive, while accept means not including. The pronunciation is similar but not the same. Do you accept my apology?
Yes, I accept it. But accept being late again.
See the difference? Accept is to agree to receive something, and expect means to exclude something.
Next, we have affect and effect. Affect means it's a verb. It means to influence something. But effect is a noun. It's a result of something. Lack of water affect the plants.
The effect is that the plants die.
So remember, affect is an action, effect is the result.
Now, let's talk about peace and peace. Peace means part of something, while peace means calm of the world.
Can I have a piece of cake?
Sure, let's eat in peace. Even though they sound almost the same, but their meanings are totally different.
See how just one small sound can change the meaning completely?
That's why pronunciation and context are so important.
Keep practicing, listen carefully, speak slowly, and you'll sound more natural every day.
That's all for today's video about sound like words.
Try making your own sentences using accept, effect, and peace in the comments below.
Don't forget to like, share, and keep learning English with fun.
Bye-bye!
Gini-gini.